Welcome all. In this session, we discuss about probability. Probability is the study of uncertainty. Probability means the study of uncertainty. What is uncertainty? Uncertainty means we predict which is happening, what is happening. We can't predict the results. Sometimes the event may happen or sometimes may not happen. That is uncertainty. The condition of uncertainty defined by probability. Practical probability can be calculated by using a formula. For that, we have to know some terms in probability. First one is random experiment. Random experiment is an experiment which get minimum two results and the result cannot be predicted. For example, if we toss a coin, we can't say the result of the tossing, head or tail, we can say earlier. Second condition, it has two results, head and tail. So, random experiment has minimum two results and the result could not be predicted earlier. Another term is sample space. The set of results, if we doing an experiment, if we get some results, we put the results in a set. That set is called a sample space. If you toss a coin, we will get two results. One is head and another is tail. If we arrange the results in a set, that set is called a sample space, set of sample space. For example, we throw a die, we will get six results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 results. If you put the results in a set, we can say that is the sample space of throwing a die. Second term is sample space. If we put some of the sample space together and put in another set, that is called event. Event means sum of the elements in a sample space or the full of the element of the sample space or partially divided the division of the sample space. That is called event. For example, we can say throwing a die, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 6, all the natural numbers. We can divide this number into odd and even. Even number is 2, 4, 6 and odd number is 1, 3, 5. We can say an event. Getting odd number. Getting odd number means getting 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 put and set. That is the event of getting odd number. Set of 1, 2, 3. Another event is getting even number. Getting even number when throwing a die. What are the even number in the sample space? 2, 4, 6. We can put 2, 4, 6 in a set. And that set is called getting even number. So, we can say event is a subset of sample space. Next term, outcome. Outcome means the results. If you doing an experiment, we will get some results. That results known as outcome. Another term, trial. If you doing some experiment, one by one. If I am tossing a coin, this is one time. Next time I am going to tossing another coin or same coin, second trial. I am next I have done a coin tossing again, third trial. Each and every experiment is known as trials. When we practice one trial, two trial, three trial, etc. That is trial. Calculating probability using formula. Formula is P of E or probability of event equals favorable outcome divided by total outcome. For example, tossing a coin. The sample space is head, comma, tail. Two results appear in throwing a coin. Getting head is one time. So, favorable outcome is 1 and total outcome is 2. Probability of event getting head or probability of getting head equals 1 by 2. Same as probability of getting tail is, in the result we can see only one tail, HT or head tail. In the set head, comma, tail, we can see only one tail. So favorable outcome is 1 and total outcome means total elements in the sample space will be 2.